Have you ever wondered what is YouTube promotion? Do you often wonder how to reach the actual potential of YouTube promotion? Have you found yourself frequently thinking if you have proper knowledge of increasing traffic through YouTube videos? If yes, then you have landed on the right video. Welcome back to another episode of Colorful Finance, the #1 source for content centered around earning money from home. We provide you with theoretical experience in our videos and practical experience with the tools we provide you in the description. Subscribe to the channel so you're always up to date with our latest uploads. In this video, we'll take you through everything you need to know about how to promote YouTube videos to gain traffic. Now let's get into it. YouTube videos are meant to deliver a message or promote a video clip that one has created. Companies, entrepreneurs, and individuals use these videos to market, promote, advertise, and even make money from these videos. The reason why YouTube is a great platform to market products and ideas is that visual adverts play a major role in awareness, as they tend to stick to the mind faster than audio or written formats. Although you might have created a great video, the chances of people stumbling upon it are few, because there are millions of videos being uploaded on YouTube each day, thus making the platform saturated. To milk and obtain more visibility on the web, you will need to learn tips on how to promote YouTube videos effectively. There are several ways to do this as discussed below. Use video search engines. Video search engines play a big role in advertising video content. Having the video on YouTube alone is not enough to create awareness. Make sure you add the video content to these video search engines, such as MetaCafe, Netflix, or even TrueVio.com. You, however, need to select a relevant niche for your video for optimization and relevance needs. Doing this increases visibility probabilities online. Optimize the video title as well as its descriptions. This is an important step when learning how to promote YouTube videos. Although YouTube has its own search engine to rank videos based on traffic and visibility, you can alter these by adding in video descriptions and what it is about. Video meta descriptions are very important as they give a brief overview of what the video clip is all about. This works in the same way as search engine optimization, where you need to focus on the main keywords that people will use when searching for your content or related media. Video branding. Some people may try to use your video clip to advertise their content and media, and you may not benefit from their acts. To protect yourself against these, video branding will work for you best. You can do this with the help of branding software such as Adobe Illustrator, where you can add in your addresses and links to your website. If anyone uses your content, he will participate in promoting yours too. Use social media plugins to promote the video clip. Many people today use social media to meet up with new people and make friends. They also use this media to discuss trending videos, music, and other life events. Facebook and MySpace offer a great platform to advertise YouTube videos. You can upload the video for Facebook users to view and comment on. In addition to this, you need to place a captivating description of the same. Through Facebook users, you can generate enormous traffic, thus leading to sales. Market your video links through email marketing. If you are advertising a product or service through the video, and have a mailing list of the target audience, you should then include links of the same in your emails, and direct them to view the clips. Although it may not be taught in many how to promote YouTube videos online programs, never leave out this strategy as you never know whom it will bring on board. Follow other popular videos on YouTube. Just like other social sites, you need to give for you to receive. The best way to earn traffic to your video is by responding to other people's video clips on YouTube with a big follow-up. When you respond to a video clip, a link to your videos is created on these comments, thus leaving a trail for other people to follow. Marketing through videos is a great way to win the audience over, as well as enlighten them on what you have to offer. However great the clip is, you need to optimize it for video search engines and viewers. There are many free lessons on how to promote YouTube videos you can use to learn more. Integrate keywords. When writing tags and a description of your video, include your keywords. Include both targeted keywords and long-string keyword phrases. Recent research has shown that consumers often use long-string keywords when they are conducting search engine research. Long string keywords are phrases associated with a specific keyword. For example, the targeted keywords might be tennis shoes, and the long string keyword is fashionable tennis shoes by Nike. Link your website with your video. Also, when you are placing your video, make sure to include a link to your website. Part of the purpose of the YouTube strategy is to increase website traffic. By including a link to your website, you create an opportunity for visitors to then go to your website if they are intrigued by the content of your video. Develop a series of videos. Another YouTube marketing strategy is to create an audience that follows you. If you develop and post a series of informative YouTube videos, you can increase your search engine ranking quickly. The more information you provide through video posting, the more likely you will rank high on search engines, since one of the ways they evaluate ranking is through a number of hits. High numbers of YouTube video views increase your internet presence and can increase website traffic. Make a highly professional video. With today's video technology, it is not totally necessary to hire a video production company to make short videos to post on YouTube. However, it is necessary to write a smooth, professional-sounding script and make your video appear as professional as possible. With inexpensive video editing programs, you can easily add music and subtitles and cut and edit short pieces of video together to create a video that is attractive to viewers. One of the pieces of information you should include in your editing process is a subtitle that includes your website. Also, make sure to include keywords in your video subtitles or text. When writing your script, practice it in front of a mirror or practice audience. If you use a practice audience, ask them for feedback regarding phrasing and find out what message they take away from your script, along with any tips or suggestions they can offer to improve your performance. YouTube marketing is not terribly difficult. However, it does require you to conduct some research and develop a strategy for keyword usage. With video marketing, you can increase website traffic and improve your opportunities to make sales. By increasing your YouTube video views, you can create your own following and increase your internet presence in your industry. YouTube is one of the best places to do marketing due to its vast popularity. Learn the best YouTube marketing strategies to become a successful marketer. And, with that, we've reached the end of this video all about how to promote YouTube videos to gain traffic. Let us know in the comments section down below if you enjoyed this episode and found it helpful and interesting. Remember to leave a thumbs up before you leave. Also subscribe to Colorful Finance and click the notification bell so you're always up to date with our latest releases as always. Thanks for stopping by and watching. See you again soon in the next one.